Good evening, everyone. I'm Linda West, and I'm coming back with some more news about the opioid crisis and pharmaceutical companies being held responsible. This time it's Purdue Pharma, and they are offering to settle out of court for their opiate claims. Most notably, they're the makers of OxyContin, which I'll get back to in just a moment. They're offering $10 to $12 billion. Okay. So this is in Ohio. We just saw Johnson & Johnson pay out 527 million, but this is billion, 10 to 12 billion? Crazy. That just makes me think, how much money were these people making? Obviously a lot, enough that they could literally kill off people with their drugs, still make enough money to settle out of court. That's what I'm thinking, as sick as it is. I'd love to hear your comments on that. But moving on, the fact is OxyContin was originally created supposedly for terminally ill patients that were never going to recover. They were never going to get better. So it didn't matter if they were addicted to this really super heavy dose of painkiller, which of course they needed at the end of their days. Unfortunately, this has become the drug of choice now for a lot of youth and teens. And how it made its way mainstream when it was supposed to just be for a small slice of really, really ill people, I can only say again, greed. Anyway, here comes the comeuppance, and I'm loving every minute of it. I would love your comments, and please share anything you'd like to. I'm Linda West, and thanks for sharing your time with me tonight.